And we come to the persons in the parable of the priest and the Levite. Now, if you see the priest and the Levite in the Jewish tradition, no, they they have their own rituals and customs, and they see this man who is fallen down, but they don't touch him. Why? And they go beside him because for them a dead person, touching a dead person means you defile yourself and you are unclean. Okay, but as the scripture says, they left this man half dead. No, so they don't touch it. They are more focused on their rituals. They are more focused on their customs and laws instead of looking at this brother who is in need. Okay, and so I ask you the question: are we sometimes like this Levite and this priest who ignored his brother who was in need of help? Are we the one who are only worried about ourselves? Okay, I have this work, I have this responsibility, the others don't matter to me. Is that what we are? So let us reflect on this. This is another type of person. And the third type of person is the one who says, what is mine is yours, and I will share it with you. I will share it with you. And that is the Samaritan, good Samaritan, which we see in today's gospel. My dear friend, if you see in the Jewish tradition, no, the Jews, between the Jews and the Samaritans, there is always a kind of enmity. The Jews always treated the Samaritans like, they were defiled, no? They were defiled. And so they are saying they are not proper Jews, the Samaritans, no? So they always put them aside, they cast them aside. They even use them harsh words, like they call them dogs also. And you see, Jesus gives this teacher of the law, okay, this is a lawyer, this example of a Samaritan. And that's why if you see in the scripture also, at last when Jesus asks him, who among them was a neighbor to this person who was wounded, and they don't even take the name of the Samaritan. They don't say the Samaritan man. They say the one who showed him mercy, the one who showed him compassion.